When the lockdown started, one worry we had was how do we optimize the use of these facilities. Very happy and proud to say the usage of the Innovation Center or the ATL, all such extended learning facilities has been the highest ever in spite of the lockdown. And that's what Jyoti Joseph is going to share with all of us. Over to you, Jyoti.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, one and all. Learning beyond curriculum. The obvious question that arises, why learn beyond curriculum? The vision of our institution, empowering young minds towards a progressive and humane society, makes our philosophy of learning very clear and prominent. In the 21st century, it is no longer enough to study and mug up what has been served as a course material by the curriculum. As the world is getting more and more competitive, we need to foster learning in our students so that they are dynamic, collaborative, and resourceful. In a connected world where information is available at any time and place, learner adopts a more proactive approach to learning, no longer looking at educational institutions as the only place where they can learn. When the knowledge economy demands new types of learners, higher educational institutions must look at their students as active participants, nurturing and developing the skills that go beyond the curriculum, and recognizing learning as a social process that occurs in and outside the institutional walls. In addition to making learning multisensory, effective experiential learning also engages learners with the real life scenarios that help them contextualize their learning and understand the challenges in solving problems. Effective experiential learning should ensure that children experience the real world interactions, the limitations and the pitfalls, the possibilities of new connections, new opportunities that come with a true immersion into the real world. So in many ways, going beyond textbook simply is insufficient. What might be most effective is to go beyond the classroom as well. When it comes to providing our students with an enriching, successful educational experience, all of us teachers know that it is simply not enough to stick with the course material. In fact, what makes teachers great is their ability to go beyond the curriculum, inspiring and encouraging their students with engaging activities. Innovation Center at EPS promotes 21st century learning skills like critical thinking, creative thinking, problem-solving abilities in our students. The projects and challenges taken up here have helped our students to be a researcher, a good team player, and above all, an empowered citizen who wants to work for the society and the community around. The projects which have been taken up in the year 2019-20, we started to make an impact at ATL in the year 2019-20 with the successful completion of various projects like the Tinkerfest, where the students from various schools of Mysore participated. One of our highlights that year was the drone challenge, where the students from class 11 and 12 participated and won laurels. We also hosted the STEM Fest featuring the International Year of Periodic Table. Our journey so far, though we were skeptical about how to make things happen this year with the pandemic around, we are happy that as a team, we were able to take up many new initiatives and empowering sessions that gave our students an exposure to the real world. We started our journey from the month of April 2020 with Armageddon COVID-19 challenge organized by Excelsoft events teams on healthcare, followed by YIC, Teachers Workshop. Excel Young Entrepreneur was an initiative to nurture the entrepreneur mindset in our young learners in the month of July 2020, followed by ATL Club inauguration, Diplomathon, Student Workshop, to ATL Marathon, Wickathon, and Pitchfest. Pitchfest in the month of January was a pioneering concept, pitching innovation or ideas to a diverse panel of experts. The young entrepreneurs were able to learn the tangible and the intangible lessons of entrepreneurship. Next, initiated in the month of April 2021, is the extension of the I program, where these ideas from the Pitchfest is incubated and the students are preparing to build their product to be market ready. To International Innovation Summit, which is still in progress. As the pandemic forced us to switch to the online mode of learning, the ATL projects were also taken up in the online mode through Google Meet and Zoom calls for a major part. The programs conducted in ATL ranged from in-house weekly sessions, external mentor interactions, and programs helping our students to get national and international exposure. We conducted 111 in-house weekly sessions, 23 external mentor interactions, 32 weekly sessions on I, and 14 sessions which gave our students national and international exposure. Some of the challenges and competitions taken up by our students this year were YIC, Young Inventors Challenge, an innovation challenge from idea to prototype with a virtual Viva session. Wikathon Challenge, an international virtual hackathon challenge on innovation where students from Israel, Hong Kong, China, and India participated, and our students won glories. BizChamp, a 9 to 6 championship league on playing the business game using CAPSIM tools. ATL Community Day Challenge, a gaming challenge focusing on societal impact conducted as a part of ATL. ATL Marathon, a flagship project of ATL on design thinking. The projects that were taken up were under the pillars of economy, infrastructure, demography, and demand. International Innovation Summit, where workshops on being innovation ambassador is conducted and is still in progress. Diplomathon, a student diplomacy conference. Our students took part in these challenges under the able guidance of our mentors from ExcelSoft and our teachers. Apart from the competitions, our students also participated in various training programs that helped them acquire various skills. To name a few, coding and drone session, where the students were taught the basics of drones and their working by an expert, Mr. Anurag Joshi from Indrone Aerosystem. Plasmo app development program in collaboration with ATL taught coding to our students using Visual Basic. Robotics weekly session on assembling and coding were conducted for a duration of 6 months by an external mentor, Mr. Jagdish. A series of webinars on fundamentals of science named Let's Talk Science were conducted in the month of June. Chatterati was a series of conversation with subject matter experts from Ms. Chitra and team to explore questions in the field of pure science. Space Debris was an interaction session with students with the objective of knowing Digantara and its role in managing space debris. Imaginarium India was a session on the art of making things digitally by Dr. Guru Prasad. The Great Conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn was an in-house streaming and commentary session by Mr. Kiran Prasad. In-house clubs. Educational innovation is also seen in our in-house clubs where students are propelled on a voyage of self-discovery. The various branches of clubs are astronomy, artificial intelligence, Eco Warriors, Drone Challenge, Robotics. These clubs are handled by our in-house teacher who consistently train, update, and reinvent themselves to mentor our young students. We have some of our projects which are still in progress. To name a few, ATL Tinkerpreneur 2021, Young Tycoons Business Challenge, All India Asteroid Search Campaign, Project Development Program by New York Academy of Sciences. Innovation arises from confidence, the confidence to do better and make a difference in such challenging times, calls for knowledge and skills on various tools and techniques. Workshops, webinars, and discussion tools like Adobe Spark, Microsoft products, Google products, interaction with ISRO, app development products gave us teachers a better insight. Training sessions by Learning Link Foundation, CPEM on intellectual property rights have developed our teachers push their creative boundaries in handling online and offline classes and in turn empowered us to be 21st century professionals. With all these efforts, despite lockdown constraints, EPA students took part in contests at various levels. These competitions offered chances for the participants to gain substantial experience, showcase skills, adopt innovative techniques, and develop their skills and ideas, further resulting in uncovering their personal aptitude. In this process, our students took part in various international, national, and other competitions and brought laurels to the stakeholders. Here is a brief on the awards and accolades. Our school was selected ATL School of the Month for the 3 consecutive months in the year 2020, that is in the month of August, September, and October. At regional level, one of our students won Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. At national level, 2 of our students won the Inspire Manak Award. One of our students was awarded the best performer at ATL Community Day Challenge. We also have one of our students from class 12 whose project has been selected as patent pending technology under Intel CBSE Pan India AI for Youth. At international events, our students participated and won honors in Young Inventors Challenge and Wickathon. With the constraints of being in online mode, we were able to increase the beneficiaries by 20% compared to the previous year. All these achievements and more are no doubt a result of the hard work and perseverance of the students. But soaring at these heights is only possible with a strong and steadfast support system, our management, principal, and vice principal. A special thanks to Srinath sir, who is the Chief Innovation Evangelist for Excelsoft Technologies and Mentor of Change for Excel Public School, who has been guiding us through various programs in IC Lab. We also thank Ms. Chitra and team for their valuable support and guidance. All these could not be accomplished without the selfless zeal and passion of Ms. Lekha Nair, Ms. Pramila, and all the ATL teachers. I can't thank you all enough for everything you all do for our students. Thank you for joining me on the mission to foster learning beyond the classrooms. With any other team, all we are trying to do might just not be possible, but you all make me realize we can do anything together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jyoti. That's been a wonderful achievement, I must say, the amount of effort, the amount of hard work that has gone into the optimal use of, maximal use of our facilities and ensuring the extension of learning. Sir, all these teachers who have been a part of these various projects and programs, in addition to the team from Chitra and her team, are all teachers who have been also handling the other classes, who had their other responsibilities and duties, right from the planning, the preparation, delivery of classes, evaluation of students, conducting of assessment, etc. A lot of time, a lot of effort has gone. My special congratulations to all those teachers, and thank you so much for being there to ensure that our children learn the maximum possible, irrespective of whether it is online or offline. So, sir, we'll probably come back. We have just 2 more presentations, and then we'll listen to your observations and feedback, sir. Thank you so much, Jyoti.